What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you are a continuing supporter, thank you for staying true to the crew. So today I'm bringing back one of my favorite series, which is called Frugal Fridays. And if you're not familiar with Frugal Fridays, it's where I look for dupes of luxury or more expensive items, and I go out and I find them at a more affordable price so that I can bring the savings to you. I give you some tips along the way, and I show you what I got. So if you're excited to see about my frugal finds for today, stay tuned. My name is Lonnie, and these are Lonnie's Lessons. Okay guys, so our first item is this wine glass, and I purchased this wine glass for $1.99, guys. Can you believe it? $1.99 from my local, just kind of like discount dollar store. In New York, we have a bunch of these types of stores where they just sell like household items and they sell like all types of random stuff. So I found these and I thought they looked so sophisticated for $2, right? So I did some research, as I always do for Frugal Fridays, and I found that this is very similar to the Juliet wine glass at CB2, and I'm gonna pop up a picture of it just so you can see the comparison. It's not the exact same glass, but it gives you the same weight, it gives you the same look, and it gives you the same feel, and that's what Frugal Fridays is all about. The Juliet wine glass from CB2 is actually $12.95 per glass, which means that they're charging about $13 per glass, which means that we would save about $11 per glass by looking for a more affordable option that looks the same and feels the same. It just doesn't have the CB2 name. Bars! So I definitely suggest that you search at your local discount stores. You can even sometimes find wine glasses at Marshall's or TJ Maxx or Burlington Coat Factory. Just some options for some more affordable wine glasses that give you the same look and feel of designer options, but give you a huge discount on the cost so that you can spend money on good wine, okay? Because ain't nobody got time to be spending money on a glass. I believe in cheap wine and expensive wine glasses, or at least wine glasses that look expensive. Okay. Speaking of wine, I found this really cool, simple, white 8-bottle wine bottle rack at my local thrift store, and it was a whopping $4. So I found this and I just really loved it. I love the simple design. I love that it was white. I love that it was very like kind of minimal, but it was useful because it holds 8 wine glasses. So the wine glasses store like this, and it just really just adds a really nice vibe to my bar area. So I looked up some comparable items of wine racks like this, and it looks like they're running anywhere from about $20 to $30. So we're saving over $15 to $20 by going to a local thrift store. So one frugal tip for you is to always check the thrift store for items that you're looking for. Lots of times a thrift store has items that are very similar to items that you're looking for, or sometimes you find identical items, like people may turn in something that you've already been looking for online. Or you can search your local sites like Let Go or Craigslist to find items that are similar. This is a really great item to have if you're looking to build a bar area, or if you're looking to build a bar cart, or just to have wine available in your kitchen. It's a great option for you to have a wine rack that's not super expensive, that's strong and sturdy. So check out your local thrift store for wine racks or for any type of bar accessories that you might want to add to your collection. So I use my dishwasher a lot, especially these days during quarantine. I'm cooking every day, so I found these Finish dishwasher gel packs, a pack of 25 for $2 at my local Family Dollar. And these run about $5 to $6 a box, so that's about a $4 savings for us. So one of my suggestions is for you to always check out the clearance section of the stores that you shop at, just to see if sometimes there are some items that you generally use that are on sale. You know, there's nothing wrong with these. You know, maybe they've just been sitting around, or maybe someone returned them, or maybe they had a lot. So it's just a really good option for you to check the clearance item to find a discount on some items that you already use. I love gel packs for the dishwasher because gel packs they're all in one. They get your dishes really clean, and all you have to do is throw it in. You don't have any powder or anything to deal with. So I highly suggest Finish gel packs because they are the bomb. I have been seeing these under the shelf baskets, and I've always wanted one because I think it's such a great idea. It saves space. What you do is you just slip these two hooks over the shelf inside of your cabinet, and it creates a basket that is up and out of the way for you to store additional items. So these can be really, really pricey. So if you look on the Container Store, these can run you upwards of about $9 a piece. I found these at Family Dollar for $4.99. If you're considering racks like these, organizational racks, first check your Family Dollar or your dollar stores or your Dollar Generals. Don't stick at stores like Target. Maybe try Walmart. Even some of your stores like BJ's or Big Lots may have these. So check those out. I think you should only pay about $5 or less for these. They're really cool, they're really convenient, but they're not worth $9 in my humble opinion. So this is another frugal find that I found, which is the under the shelf basket. This is great for storing all those items that you want inside the cabinet, but you just want to optimize the vertical space inside of your cabinet. So check these out, $4.99. And this is compared to a $9 price at the Container Store. All right, you guys, and that's it for this episode of Frugal Friday. If you have frugal finds that you want me to look for, things that you really like, but they're way over your budget, feel free to send those to me in a DM on Instagram. You can email me at hello@lonniewoods3rd.com, or you can message me here on YouTube. I would love for you to send me pictures of things that you want to find at a cheaper price, and let me scour the internet, let me scour the clearance sections to find something comparable at a much lower price. As always, please subscribe and hit the bell notifications so that you can get alerted every time that I post a new video. As always, I leave you in love, peace, and style. Until next time, bye.